Hey everyone, Noel with RPS here. Today I'm going to be unboxing and introducing the brand new relaunch of the F200 F400 Solar Fountain series from RPS. We've upgraded these kits to be one of our easiest kits ever to install, coming with 100 feet of pre-wired submersible grade pump wire, and on top of that we've improved the performance of the pump, so you're going to see even better spray out of those fountains. Let's go ahead and grab some of the components that are going to come in this new kit and take a closer look. All right, so the first thing that you'll notice as we open up this box, in addition to the protective packaging that we always make sure to take care of, is this brand new full color user manual. As I've said in some of our previous videos, this is a surefire guide to make an already easy installation even easier. So you'll want to be sure to put that in a safe place for the install. As we take out some of this styrofoam here, we will see some of the components. So right off the bat, you can see we've got some solar Y connectors and some solar wire. These are going to help complete the solar array that then wires into your system. We've got another important piece, which is the ground lug kit. That's going to allow you to ground the system with a copper grounding rod and help to prevent any damage in the case of something like a lightning strike. We've also got a splice kit. The only splicing you're going to have to worry about with this kit is splicing from the pump wire into the DC disconnect, which is this component right here. I can go ahead and open it up. Now we've got our MC4 outlets here. The only splice you're going to have to worry about is cutting one of these in half, stripping it, and splicing it into the pump wire, and then you'll be able to plug right into that DC disconnect that looks like this. Next up, we've got a threaded nipple and some fittings to run from the pump through the float to the nozzle. We include two nozzles in here so that you can choose which kind of spray you want to have. Just a couple different designs there, depending on your aesthetic preference. Of course, we've got 100 feet of safety rope. You can use that to secure the pump to an anchor and also to secure it to the shore in the event that you need to pull it in. And finally, we have the star of the show, which is the new F200 400 centrifugal pump, pre-wired into 100 feet of submersible grade pump wire that is already spliced directly onto the pump, so you don't have to worry about anything in the water. The RPS engineers have taken care of those waterproof splices for you, just to make the install that much easier. Now here's our pump itself. Now depending on whether you have the F200 or the F400, that'll determine how many panels you have and how much wattage is going into the pump. Now the F200 can circulate about 15 gallons per minute of water, and that's going to give you a fountain that's about 4 feet high by 6 feet wide. Now if you upgrade to the F400, you're going to get about 19 gallons per minute circulating, and you'll have a 6-foot tall fountain with about an 8-foot spread. So that's the kind of performance that you're going to see out of these guys. So like I said before, that's going to make an already easy install just that much easier. You're only going to have to worry about splicing up near the panels one time, and that's it. Next up, we've got another important piece of the kit, which is the fountain float itself. So this is made of durable plastic. We've got a throughway there where you would put the threaded nipple up to the fountain outlet on top, and this is going to float right on the water surface like this and create that spray and keep everything stable while it's floating. All right, and lastly, we have the solar panels that come with the kit. With the F200, you'll get two 100-watt panels, and with the F400, you'll get 4 of those 100-watt panels. And those come in packs of 2, like you can see here. They are very carefully packaged to prevent any kind of damage. And we have those MC4s coming off the back that will help us complete the array. So we ship out thousands of these solar panels every year, and very, very rarely are they damaged. We take the time to ensure that they're packaged properly In the rare event that they do come damaged, you can always contact our US-based in-person support team. They will be happy to help you with any kind of warranty issue if it were damaged. We're always happy to help. So that's everything that's included in the new F200, F400 solar fountain series from RPS. There's never been an easier time to set one of these systems up yourself. So do it yourself this season and watch your pond shine all summer long. Again, I'm Noel with RPS, and I hope you have a great day.